Kopogore gi mano, ni jagoro maduong' mar kotu Francis Atwoli owito oko weche malikore ni oketo jotich moko tenge mar ni ochiwore mar tiyo ne jotije duto mapacho ka kokadho riwruoge gi mopogore opogore. Koloso e kaunti ma Kisumu, Atwoli wacho ni weche makamago imedo chwal kod moko kuom josiasa maketo sirikal tesre kendo magito duoko piny mbi mar riwruoge mano mar jotije pacho kae. Matimore juma achiel tok jotije moko e boma ma Naivasha wacho ni Atwoli rango mana weche siasa to korango weche mamulo jotich.
We have already done our nomination, the various positions, and when I call your position, I'll start with third trustee, Ruth Mukami, and
take the microphone, and I want to once again to thank you very much. I will have a photograph together, and those, Okeno is here, will make... I cannot see anybody who can coordinate from the coast to west. I don't see anybody. I'm not seeing anybody. I'm not seeing anybody. I can tell you for free. And if you have hate, please put your hate aside and work on strategies and facts. Because some people would hate you, like me. People would hate, just say, if you see what they write on Tondao, because of hate and envy. But when you ask them, go to workers and ask them whether Atwoli should exit, they can't. Whenever they go, even in the hotels, workers will tell you, we still need Francis Atwoli. Workers will tell you, we still need Francis Atwoli. Workers will tell you.
Familia marobila mar GSU Danayo manoiki kanisa mar St. Joseph Mission